My name is Sophia, and nothing beats starting the day with sunshine streaming through my window. The warmth of the sun's rays instantly lifts my spirits. I stretch, smile, and get ready to enjoy the beautiful day ahead. I decide to take a walk in the park nearby. The flowers are in full bloom and the birds are chirping happily. I breathe in the fresh air and feel grateful for the natural beauty around me. It's a perfect start to my day. Next, I meet my friend Luna at our favorite cafe. We sit outside sipping our coffee under the bright sky. We chat and laugh, enjoying each other's company. The warmth of the sun and our friendship makes the morning even more special. After saying goodbye to Luna, I spend some time on my balcony. I've recently taken up watercolor painting. As I paint, I'm inspired by the vibrant colors of the day. It's soothing to express myself through art. In the afternoon, I visit the local market. The stalls are filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, and handmade crafts. The hustle and bustle of the market is energizing. I pick up some ingredients for dinner and enjoy the lively atmosphere. As the day starts to cool, I head to the beach. I walk along the shore, feeling the sand between my toes. The sound of the waves is calming and the sunset over the water is breathtaking. It's moments like these that I cherish. Back home, I feel relaxed and content. Today was a day well spent, filled with simple joys and beauty. I curl up with a book, feeling thankful for the sunny day and the peace it brought me. It's the little things in life that truly matter.